Puppies are having their first meal. Some are not quite sure. Here is green and orange. Sand is not too bad. Pretty good stuff. Turquoise and light blue are over here. Turquoise girl that has her head in the bowl. See if blue will eat.
Which one? Blue. These two blue.
Navy blue over here. It's liking his. Turquoise girl. Oh no, we got some escapees. First time you gotta kind of reintroduce it to them. Looky here. What do you think? There we go, red and blue. Not too bad, huh? There you go. Let me get Mr. Blue over here. See, Mr. Blue has his own little bowl. What do you think? There you go. Oh, he wants to go try out Blue's bowl. Alright, Blue, you want to try his out? See if you like his better. No? Oh, look at red and purple over here. She says, yours tastes better. Oh my. And the fun begins. Hey, catch Green before he goes under the table.
Green doesn't like it. You're doing good.
That is one of my sons helping me. Alright, hold on, let's get you over here. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at Green. Okay, what's going on? There you go.
Oh, there you go.
I know, some do. Some like to just dig into it. Catch Purple before she goes off the little steps there.
She's scared.
Oh, is she? She's like, wait a second.
She'll switch.
And you thought you were going to get away from working out tonight. This is your workout. Oh, Blue says, hey, maybe yours tastes better. That is black right there. Here's Royal Blue. And this is Navy Blue. Where are you going, mister? I guess we'll let Mama eat your leftovers. Alright, here. You come back over here. See if you want any more. See if you want any more. Get your... I taste it. Uh-oh. I have one right under me. See what you think. Mmm. Uh-huh. What? What is it, Purple?
I don't want this stuff. You want some?
Oh, you want some, don't you? All right, it's right over here, hon. Right over here. That's where it is. All right, let's try them.
This one eats.
Look at her, turquoise. She's doing really good. She's probably... Oh, look.
She got curious.
She got a little braver, didn't she? Purple and red over there. Red, female is gotten thicker. She's probably the widest of the female. And then turquoise over here. Is just so cute, too. She's going to have a little more cream on her. More of a champagne. I think the best eater is
Two of them.
turquoise. Little girl. I got another one under me. Who is that? Blue. How did you get over here? Can we just put them back? Yes, we had to introduce them though. Oh, someone's eating over here. Well, look, here goes blue now. No, that's navy blue. Navy blue and black like it too. What? Light blue? What's the matter? What is it? I think they would rather explore.
I know.
All right. Dinner is finished.